Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Okay, so in this video, I want to show you something which is very healthy dish. Okay, instant and healthy dosa batter. Yeah, there are so many dosa batters, and we can add ragi into the normal dosa batter, ragi dosa, millets dosa, oats dosa, and so there are different types of dosas which is prepared. Today I'm going to prepare something different, healthy mixed dosa recipe, that is chana with black chana, so which is soaked at night along with rice and urd dal, and then after 1 to 2 hours of soaking you can add lots of fresh green curry leaves. Along with that you can add 2 to 3 garlic. Okay, so when you grind the garlic and curry leaves along with salt and these in the mixer, you get a fine paste. After that fine paste, no need to ferment at all. So you no need to keep it overnight outside. You can instantly make the dosa. Add salt according to taste. And this is very healthy dosa, especially when made from this black chana, which offers a quick high protein and very rich fiber content. It's very good for breakfast. This is a very rich breakfast option, and this has even weight loss also and boosts energy. So morning in the breakfast time, if you have these kind of dosas, it really boosts energy. So it saves time, so no need of soaking, grinding, fermenting and all. We can do it instantly, and which is gluten free and which ensures easy digestion. Yeah, so two dosas will be very healthy in the morning. You can finely chop coriander leaves and add into the batter. Okay, so I would like to suggest you also to try this dosa batter. This is very much weight loss friendly dosa batter. Yeah, so if you make this dosa and have it, you will surely lose your weight within 1 month. So which contains high protein, because all type of dal is mixed in this, urd dal, rice, and a little bit of chana dal, and black chana. So low in calories and fat and helping to manage weight. Okay, so these kind of dosas made from these kind of batters and which requires minimum oil or ghee. Yeah, how much ever less you put, the dosa will come out very tastily. Okay, so I would like you to suggest to make this kind of dosa batter and have a healthy diet and healthy lifestyle. So bye bye and see you in another video with another content. Until then, take care. Bye bye.